Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the hardware and account so setup is efficient. Plug the Eagle Pro AI into power and wait for the LED to blink. Connect your phone or laptop to the router's temporary Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable. This reduces interruptions during provisioning. Open the TP-Link app or Web UI and sign into your TP-Link account. This associates the device and enables cloud features. Once done, you're ready to move into network configuration and firmware confirmation. You now configure the network specifics and intelligent features. Launch the quick setup and follow prompts to choose operation mode, router, access point, or mesh node. Pick router unless extending another gateway. Set distinct SSIDs for clarity and a strong WPA2/WPA3 password. This balances compatibility and security. Enable band steering and Co-S if you want devices routed by performance. Turn on mesh only if you have multiple Eagle Pro units. You finish by validating connectivity and addressing common failures. Test internet access from multiple clients and confirm the dashboard shows an active WAN IP. This proves upstream link and DHCP or PPPoE credentials are correct. If you lose internet, power cycle the modem, then the Eagle Pro AI, check the WAN cable seating, and re-enter ISB credentials. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and reconfigure from your saved settings. If persistent issues remain, collect system logs and contact support for target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.